Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video I am going to show you something called an installation visualizer. What is that, you ask? This is from 98, 99, and this gave way to the file in Windows XP, the file leaving the folder and going into another folder. It also gave way to today's standards of telling you which file is being installed in the progress bar. So I'm going to be using the Quake 2 install for this. This game is around that era, so this is pretty cool, and I'll show you this. So I'm showing you what it was like to install anything at that particular time. Now, I've only seen this installation visualizer a few times in Windows 98 or any software that was made around that time. So you see that, which is normal, and then you have the requirements. Now, if you look at the requirements very, very closely, you're going to see CD-ROM. Back in the 98 Windows 98 era, you had a lot of requirement, especially a game like this, since it was kind of pushing the technology a little bit. And you had to do this, you had to do that, and stuff like that. And of course, like you see today, you have to agree to a license. Alright, so you have basic, which is, back in the 98 era, I could run this game off a CD, which means everything, music and everything normal. It would install, and it would need the CD a little more. Maximum, you only need the CD for music. And yes, this is a music CD as well. And there's more info up here. And after that, it says to reboot the machine, but these days, I very rarely see that unless it's a configuration setting or a huge program. So the installation now has begun, and all the way to the right-hand corner, top right-hand corner, you see the bar is fully full, as I like to say. That's going to be that. That's the system itself. The middle one is CD to drive, and the left-hand one is file to folder. Now, as I stated, this gave way to the modern-day installations. Now, if you look at the bottom right-hand corner, this is what you would see nowadays as well. But this is just a visualizer of showing you what's happening, even though it's displaying it here. I've only seen this a few times, but I like it because it's telling you how fast the folders are going from files are going into the folder. Now, I've only seen this light up a few times, but that was on an older machine. I just thought it was really, really cool. Even when, since I was, let's see, I'm 33 now. I was 10 in 98. That's when I first saw this. And as you can see, the quicker the files go to the folder, the faster the bar lights up. It'll be done shortly. But the right hand side is always lit up. There we go. So anyway, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.